Very good morning, students. Let's start our English class with this chapter 4, Pandora's Box. In our last class, we read this chapter, and today let me explain this chapter to you all, and then after that, we'll try to complete word meanings and exercise question answers today. So, let's start. Pandora's Box. As you can see the name of this chapter, which is Pandora's Box. So this story is about how did hope come into this world. What is hope? Hope means to think about something positive for the result. Whatever happens, it's okay, but we feel like we hope for good. That whatever will happen, but it will be good for us and for everybody. When the world was first created, when the world was first created, it was a happy place of light and laughter. जब वर्ल्ड बना था सबसे पहले तो वो एक बहुत ही हैप्पी प्लेस था विद लाइट एंड लाफ्टर. देयर वाज नो सच थिंग एज सैडनेस और पेन. वहां पे कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं थी जो कि दुख हो या फिर दर्द हो, ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. The sun shone every day and the gods came down from heaven to walk and talk with humans who lived on earth. अर्थ में जो भी ह्यूमन रहते थे, ह्यूमंस, तो उनके साथ गॉड आके बात किया करते थे हेवन से. द सन शोन एवरी डे. सन क्या करता था? साइन करता था, शाइन करता था, शोन करता था. एवरी डे वो चमकता था और गॉड आते थे हेवन से और बात करते थे और चलते फिरते थे ह्यूमंस के साथ में अर्थ में. So this story is all about that time. One afternoon, a man called Epimetheus and his wife Pandora were outside. एक आफ्टरनून की बात है. एक आदमी था, उसका नाम क्या था? A man named Epimetheus. उसका नाम था Epimetheus. His name was Epimetheus. And his wife Pandora. उसकी वाइफ का नाम था Pandora. वो आउटसाइड थे, घर के बाहर, tending to their flowers. देख रहे थे अपने फ्लावर्स की तरफ गार्डन में. When they saw God Mercury approaching. God Mercury, he is God Mercury, you can see. God Mercury approaching. He was coming from heaven. He was bowed down by a dark wooden chest that he was carrying on his shoulder, and he looked hot and tired. So he was coming from the heaven, and he was taking a chest. Chest means it's a kind of box. Okay, so he was carrying a chest, a large strong box. He was carrying a dark box, and on his shoulder he was carrying that chest. Okay, and he looked hot and tired. He was looking very hot and very tired. So Pandora rushed to get worn out God a cool drink. He just rushed inside. Pandora दौड़ के अंदर गई to get some cool drink. While Epimetheus helped him to lower the chest. तब तक Epimetheus ने help किया God का to put that chest down. उसको down नीचे रखने में help किया in the ground. It was tied with a golden cords. वो golden cords से, वो golden धागों से वो बंधा हुआ था. My friend, would you do me a favor? Sighed Mercury. It is so hot today and the box is very heavy. May I leave it here while I go on an errand? So Mercury said that मेरे प्यारे दोस्त, can you do me a favor? क्या तुम मेरी एक help करोगे? बहुत, it is very hot. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है आज, and this box is also very heavy. So may I leave it here while I go on an errand? मैं इसको यहाँ रख सकता हूँ, तब तक मैं और भी चीजें डिलीवर करके आता हूँ, और भी चीजें इधर उधर देकर आता हूँ. Of course you can, smiled Epimetheus. Epimetheus smiled and said, of course, आप रख सकते हैं. Epimetheus, thank you. So Epimetheus said, of course, आप रख सकते हैं, you can. Then what happened? Epimetheus and the god have the chest indoor. दोनों ने उठा के उस chest को अंदर रख दिया. Then Mercury said, no one under any circumstances must open the box. Mercury strictly said that no one will in any circumstances will not open this box ever. कभी भी इस box को खोलना नहीं, he said. Don't worry, laughed Epimetheus and Pandora. They waved the god off through the trees. उन्होंने god को wave कर दिया. And they said, don't worry, ये कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, हंसते हुए उन्होंने कहा. All of a sudden, Pandora stopped still and frowned. Listen, Epimetheus, she said in a low voice. I'm sure I heard someone whispering our name. अचानक से क्या हुआ? Pandora was thinking that कि Epimetheus, सुनो, have you heard something? क्या तुमने सुना? एक थोड़ा सा वॉइस आ रहा है, कोई हमारा नाम विस्पर कर रहा है. विस्पर मीन्स धीरे धीरे बोल रहा है कोई हमारा नाम. Then Epimetheus and Pandora listened hard. उन्होंने और ध्यान से सुना दोनों ने. At first they heard nothing. पहले तो उनको कुछ नहीं सुनाई दिया. Then they heard the distant sound of Epimetheus. Then they heard a distant sound. मतलब some sound is coming from distant place. And that was Epimetheus, Pandora being called from outside. It's our friends, cried Epimetheus happily. Epimetheus said that, oh, it's our friend. But Pandora looked puzzled. Pandora is a little bit confused. No, Epimetheus, those aren't the voice I heard. She said firmly. She said that नहीं Epimetheus, ये friends की voice नहीं है. मैंने कभी ये voice नहीं सुनी. Whose voice is this? I don't know. They must have been. Epimetheus laughed. Epimetheus ने हंस के कहा कि नहीं नहीं वही है. Come on now, let's go and see everyone. You go? Pandora insisted. I'd rather stay here for a while. Epimetheus shrugged and strode outside. Epimetheus ने कहा, okay, ठीक है, तुम बाहर रहो, मैं देख के आता हूँ. As soon as he was gone, Pandora hurried over to a strange chest and waited. अब जैसे ही Epimetheus चला गया बाहर, then Pandora was hurried. वो सोच रही थी कि मैं चेस्ट में देखूं तो आखिर चेस्ट में क्या है. After only a few seconds, she heard it again. थोड़ी देर के बाद उसको फिर से वॉइस आई, डिस्टेंस वॉइस कॉलिंग, पेंडोरा पेंडोरा. पेंडोरा की वॉइस सुनाई देने लगी. Then the voice was so low, वॉइस जो थी बहुत धीरे आ रही थी, and whispery that Pandora wasn't sure whether she was really hearing them or was just imagining it. She was not, इतनी slow voice थी that she was not sure कि ये रियल में कोई वॉइस आ रही है कि मुझे सिर्फ इमेजिनेशन हो रहा है कि कुछ आवाज आ रही है. कभी कभी हमें ऐसा लगता है ना, sometimes we feel like yes, some kind of sound is coming from some side, but there is no sound. So that's why she was also thinking the same. She bent down closer and put her ear on the lid. थोड़ा सा झुकी और उसने बॉक्स में अपना ईयर रख दिया. The chest was calling to her. That chest was calling her. Pandora, the voice pleaded. Let us out, Pandora. We are trapped here in this darkness. So that voice, those voices were saying that, Pandora, please let us out. हमें बाहर निकालो, Pandora. We are trapped here in the darkness. हम यहाँ फंस गए हैं darkness में. Please help us to escape. हमारी मदद करो बाहर निकलने में. Pandora jumped back with a start. Pandora डर के कारण बहुत जोर से जंप किया उसने. Mercury had expressly forbidden them or anyone else to open the chest. Forbidden means to don't do this. Means to give instruction that don't do this. ऐसा मना किया गया था करने के लिए कि इस चेस्ट के पास भी नहीं आना, इस चेस्ट को ओपन ही नहीं करना. The voice sounded very sad and pity. जो साउंड आ रहे थे वो बहुत दुख वाले थे और बहुत ही ज्यादा सैड थे, बहुत पेनफुल थे. Pandora, they came again. Help us, we beg you. The sounds are saying that, Pandora, please मेरी help करो, हमारी help करो, like this. Pandora could stand it no longer. Pandora अब वहां पे खड़ी भी नहीं हो पा रही थी. She hurriedly knelt down and worked at the tight golden knots. उसने जल्दी जल्दी वो knots को खोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया. All the time, the whispering and pleading voice filled her ears. जो voices आ रही थी वो बहुत ज्यादा तेज हो गई थी, अब जल्दी जल्दी आने लगी थी. At last, the knots were undone and the gleaming cords fell away. She took a deep breath and opened the lid. In the last, that all the knots were undone and the gleaming cords fell away. Those gleaming, those bright cords just fell down. And she took a deep breath, and she took, she said like this, and she opened the lid of that box. At once Pandora realized she had done a terrible thing. After that she was thinking कि मैंने बहुत गलत किया है. The box had been crammed with all the evils in the world. Thousands of tiny brown moth-like creatures that stung people with their wings and caused pain and misery wherever they went. There are thousands of छोटे-छोटे, बहुत सारे हजारों, बहुत सारे thousands of छोटे-छोटे moth थे. Moth means it's a kind of fly. It's a kind of fly. मतलब एक तरह का fly होता है, एक तरह का insect होता है that just fly all over, everywhere, all the time. So that type of brown tiny moth was there. That moth-like creature was there, and which stung people. जो किसी को अगर डंक मार दें, अगर थोड़ा सा भी चोट पहुंचा दे तो पेन हो जाता है, लोगों में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द हो जाता है. So that type of creature was that. Now because of Pandora, the evils were free. They all were evil. क्या थे? Evil थे. They were not good people. They were not good type of things. They were kind of bad things. Evil they are actually. So they flew out of the chest in a great swarm and fluttered all over Pandora's skin. Swarm means बहुत सारे, इनको बहुत सारे एक साथ, बहुत एक बड़े ग्रुप में निकल के आए वो सारे इंसेक्ट्स, और वो आके पेंडोरा की स्किन में आके स्टिक हो गए सब. For the very first time Pandora felt pain and regret. First time Pandora को बहुत ज्यादा दुख और दर्द फील हुआ और बहुत सॉरी फील हुआ कि मैंने क्यों बॉक्स ओपन कर दिया. She began to wail with the despair, but all too late. अब वो बहुत ज्यादा दुखी होने लगी, बट अब सब बहुत लेट हो चुका था. She slammed the lid back down into the chest. उसने जल्दी से इसको बंद कर दिया, lid को, बॉक्स के. Outside, Epimetheus heard the wife's cries and came running as fast as he could. बाहर से एपिमीथियस दौड़ के आया, अपनी वाइफ की आवाज सुन के कि उसकी वाइफ रो रही है, दुख में परेशान है, तो वो दौड़ के आया देखने के लिए. That what happened? The little creature fluttered to sting and bite him. जो छोटे-छोटे creatures थे, वो उसकी बॉडी में उसको बाइट कर रहे थे सब जगह पे. Before speeding off through the window into the world beyond. बाहर, विंडो के बाहर जाने से पहले उसको स्टिंग कर रहे थे सब. For the first time ever, Epimetheus began to shout at his wife. First time life में Epimetheus अपनी वाइफ पे बहुत जोर से शाउट किया, बहुत जोर से डांट लगाया उसने. Pandora yelled back and the couple realized that they were arguing. Pandora ने भी बहुत जोर से चिल्लाया, दोनों आपस में बहस करने लगे, लड़ाई झगड़ा बातचीत करने लगे. Then they realized that we were arguing. हम तो लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, उनको ऐसा फील हुआ. Let me out, interrupted a high voice. फिर बॉक्स से एक हाई वॉइस, बहुत तेज वॉइस आई. That was let me out. Pandora and Epimetheus grabbed onto each other in panic. दोनों एक दूसरे को पकड़ लिए डर से. The voice was coming from the chest. वो वॉइस कहाँ से आ रही थी? चेस्ट से. Don't be afraid of me. मुझसे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Let me out and I can help you, came the voice. Voice ने कहा कि मुझसे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, प्लीज मुझे बाहर निकालो, मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करूंगी, don't worry. What do you think? Pandora whispered to Epimetheus. Wide eye. Wide eye means आंखें बड़ी बड़ी करके पेंडोरा ने कहा, whispering करके, slowly कहा एपिमीथियस से, क्या लगता है एपिमीथियस? Surely you can't do any more mischief than you already have done, he grumbled. एपिमीथियस ने कहा, तुमने अब इतनी शैतानी की है, इतना सब परेशान कर दिया बॉक्स को खोल के, अब तुम और कुछ ऐसा मत करना. So Pandora opened Mercury's chest for a second time. तो उसने फिर से मर्क्यूरी की चेस्ट को खोल दिया. Out of the deep dark chest fluttered a single shining spirit like butterfly. It was hope. So बहुत अंधेरा हो गया था, उस अंधेरे में से एक सिंगल शाइनिंग स्पिरिट, एक बहुत अच्छी शाइनिंग स्पिरिट निकल के आई, जो फ्लटर कर रही थी, अपने पंख जो है वो फ्लटर कर रही थी, लाइक अ बटरफ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई की तरह अपने पंखों को वो फ्लटर कर रही थी. वो क्या थी? वो थी होप. होप मीन्स, आई टोल्ड यू, होप मीन्स आशा. होप मीन्स टू थिंक समथिंग गुड. Pandora and Epimetheus sobbed with relief as she fluttered against their skin and soothed their stinging wound. Means जैसे उसने अपने feathers जो थे that of that butterfly, she just fluttered them. जैसे उसने flutter किए अपने पंखों को like this, then उनके जो भी wound थे, जो भी चोट थे, sting के कारण जो चोट था, दर्द था, वो सब एकदम ठीक हो गया. उनको बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा. They feel so relief. Then she was gone. वो फिर अचानक से गायब हो गई. Darting out of the window and into the world after the evils. अब वो evils के पीछे पीछे चली गई थी. जहां वो evils गए थे उन्हीं के पीछे गई थी कि luckily hope has stayed with us ever since. तब से वो जो hope है वो हमारे साथ में है. That was the last में जो निकली थी वो क्या थी? वो hope थी. तो hope जो थी वो तब से हमारे साथ में है कि अगर हमारे साथ कुछ बुरा हो जाता है या हम कुछ भी सोचते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, like they had given some exam, हम कुछ एग्जाम दे दिए, like अब we are hoping for the best, obviously अब हम कुछ अच्छे के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, like कि अब हमारे साथ कुछ अच्छा होगा, हमारे अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. Understand? So hope is kind of a good thing. So here is message you can get here, which you can see. Hope for the best. Hope makes this world a beautiful place to live in. Hope जो है इस वर्ल्ड को एक ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस बनाता है रहने के लिए. Okay, I hope that you understood this story properly. Have you any doubt? You can ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt?
No. No.
So students, I hope that you all understood the story properly and very well. Now let's move to the word meanings of this chapter and question and answer. So first of all, write down word meanings. The first word is, as you can see on your screen, errand. First word is errand. That means job. It's a kind of a delivery job, but job is sufficient. Job word is sufficient. Next is forbidden, means banned, means it's not allowed. Next is pleaded. Pleaded, that means begged. Sobbed, that means wept. Strode, that means marched. Tending, that means protect. Yelled, that means shouted. Wail, W-A-I-L, wail. Wail means cry. I hope that you all have written. So students, let's move to the question and answers of this chapter. Read and answer. First, you can see read and answer over here. The first question is, what warning did Mercury give to Epimetheus and Pandora? Here you can see the answer. Mercury warned Epimetheus and Pandora not to open the box under any circumstances. Question number 2. How did Epimetheus and Pandora get relief? Pandora and Epimetheus were relieved when a white spirit like a butterfly fluttered against their skin and soothed their stinging wounds.
Ma'am.
So students, move to the next question and answer, which is think and answer. First is, why did Mercury warn Epimetheus and Pandora about the chest? And here is the answer you can see. Mercury warned Epimetheus and Pandora about the chest because there were evil spirits locked inside it, and hence he didn't want them to open it and be in trouble. This is BED, okay? Don't be confused in any of the word. Question number 2 is, why did Pandora and Epimetheus grab onto each other in panic? So they did so because they went against the warning of God Mercury. That's why they grabbed onto each other in panic. This is the answer. Answer number 3. Pandora realized she had done a terrible thing. What does the terrible thing refer to? Do you agree that Pandora had done a terrible thing? So the answer of that question you can see here. Number A, answer number A is the terrible thing refers to the opening of the chest in spite of the warning. And number B is Pandora had done a terrible mistake indeed. If she would not have opened the chest, then they would not have been wounded and the evil spirit would not have escaped. This is the answer number B. Move to answer number 4, which is here. What does hope, how does hope help us? You can see the answer over here. Hope helps us to have faith in others and in ourselves that things would be better. Understand? Hope means that it helps to have faith in us and ourselves, in others also, that everything will be good, everything would be better. Question number 5, what do you learn from the story? And the answer is, we should learn to our elders, and when our elders forbid us to do anything, we should never do it, as whatever they do or say is for our own betterment. This is the answer number 5. Move to the reference to context now. Question number first, here you can see in this question, there is a sentence is given which is related to the story, and some questions are given here which are related to that sentence. Here is sentence, surely you can't do any more mischief than you already have done. And the question you can see is here, who said these words to whom? What was the mischief? Why does the speaker say these words? What happened next? And the answer is, let me share that screen. Here is the answer number A. Who said this to whom? Epimetheus said these words to his wife Pandora. What was the mischief? Mischief was Pandora had opened that chest that God Mercury had strictly asked not to open. From the box had came out all the evils in the world. This was the mischief. Number C. Why does the speaker say these words? Answer is, the speaker said these words because Pandora had already done a mischief. Now he hoped that opening the box again couldn't release anything worse than before. That's why he said that do not do any type of mischief again. Number D. What happened next? And answer is, Pandora opens the box again. Out from the box comes a single shining spirit fluttering like a butterfly. It was hope. Move to the hearts question. Oh, there is no hearts question. Actually, what is the hearts question here? Let me show you that hearts question. Suggest any 5 things to make this world a beautiful place to live in. So this is very simple question, which is for your assignment, which you all have to do by yourself. Understand? Suggest any 5 things. ऐसी 5 चीजें आपको सर्च करनी है that make this world a beautiful place. With the help of those 5 things, this world would be a very beautiful place. Arab. What is the meaning of that horse question? Tell me.
मैम इसमें 5 ऐसी चीज लिखनी है जो वर्ल्ड ब्यूटीफुल हो,
जो वर्ल्ड को ब्यूटीफुल बनाएंगी. ऐसी 5 चीजें आपको सर्च करके, आप लोगों को सर्च करके, you all have to write this. This is your assignment. Understand?
Yes ma'am.
So you all have to do this exercise, this question by yourself. So students, I hope that you understood each and everything, all the question and answers I showed you here, and I will send on WhatsApp also. Okay. So if you still have any doubt, you can ask me in our next class. We'll complete exercise of this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me here. Batao. Do you have any doubt related to the chapter?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So students, we'll meet in our next class. Our time is over. Okay, that's all for today's class. Good day.